In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to Amazon app. Go ahead and open the Amazon Shopping app on your phone. You should see the familiar home screen with the search bar across the top and various product suggestions showing below. If you are not already signed in, the app will prompt you now. Enter your Amazon account email and password to sign in. After you log in, you will return to the main Amazon home screen and you might see your name or personalized recommendations, which confirms the sign-in worked. Now tap the profile icon, which looks like a little person, usually at the bottom of the screen. When you tap it, the view changes to show options related to you, such as your orders, your account settings, and your lists. From here, tap your account. This opens a page full of tiles and links, including orders, login, and security, and payment options. Seeing this grid layout is a good sign that you are in the right place. Under the section labeled Payments, tap your payments. The screen now focuses on wallets and cards, and you may see any existing cards or accounts already linked to your Amazon profile. Next, tap Add or Add a payment method, depending on what your app shows. This brings up a new screen that asks what kind of payment you want to add and gives you entry fields after you choose. Choose the type of payment method you want to add, such as a credit or debit card or a bank account where that is supported. When you select one option, the app tailors the next screen to that method. For example, card details for a card or bank details for an account. Enter the required information carefully. Type in the full card number, the name on the card exactly as it appears, the expiration date, and the 3 or 4-digit security code, also called the CVV. Make sure the billing address matches what your bank or card issuer has on file, because mismatched addresses can cause payment failures even if the card number is correct. When all the fields look good, tap Add Card or Save, depending on what your screen shows. The app now sends that information to your bank or card provider. If everything is accepted, you should be taken back to the list of your payment methods with the new one showing. If your bank requests additional verification, such as a one-time password by text or a prompt in your banking app, complete that verification process. After you confirm it successfully, Amazon usually refreshes to show the payment method as active without needing any extra saving step. To set this payment method as your default, go again to Profile, then your account, then your payments. This takes you back to the same payment management area you saw a moment ago. Select the payment method you just added from the list. You will see its last 4 digits and brand, which helps you confirm you picked the right one. Tap Edit. The app now shows details and options for that specific payment method, including whether it is used by default for orders. Enable Set as the default payment method. This tells Amazon to use this card or account first whenever you check out, unless you manually choose another option at checkout. Finally, save your changes. Once you do, the payment list will show this method marked as default, often with a small label next to it. You just added a new payment method in the Amazon app and set it as your default for future purchases. If this walkthrough helped you get your card set up smoothly, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick Amazon how-tos.